Hi everyone, today we have one of our placed candidate with us, so she is going to share her experience.
Okay. Hi, I'm Adhya. I have joined PySpiders Rajajinagar in July month. I have took a Python full stack development course, and in the initial training I have learned Python by Keshav sir and Lokesh sir, Ayappan sir, and also Chetan sir. Then SQL by Vinod sir, Avinash sir, and Deepak sir. Then I have lessons by Selva sir and Niveda ma'am. Then web technology by Govind sir. Then data analysis by Taj sir. It is every trainer helped me in my learning step. And also presentation, bootcamp, screenings, everything helped me a lot in my learning. Thank you.